Greetings on behalf of the Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center, our Board of Directors, and staff. I am honored to present our honorees for this year's 6th annual lecture that focuses on justice and on juvenile justice in Maryland in particular. Congratulations to the Rebuild, Overcome, and Rise Roar Center. The Rebuild, Overcome, and Rise Roar Center is at the forefront of addressing violence perpetrated on victims. You will note that there is a common thread to their work, which takes on even greater significance in a challenging world of today. We salute their efforts that don't always make the news.
Hello, my name is Lydia Watts. I'm the Executive Director of the Rebuild, Overcome, and Rise, or ROAR Center at the University of Maryland, Baltimore. All of us at ROAR want to thank the Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center for Education, Justice, and Ethics for this honor. We want to especially thank our shared colleagues in this work, Che Bullock and Dr. Joseph Richardson, and a very special thanks to Marcy Deloach, who is such a joy to work with. ROAR works directly with survivors of all types of violence in Baltimore City, be that intimate partner violence, sexual assault, homicide, non-fatal gun violence, or other forms of assault, by providing for free a full range of multidisciplinary services, including legal, case management, nurse care management, and mental health services all in one place, which research has shown provides the best outcomes for survivors who are often managing myriad and complex needs. Whenever we speak about ROAR, we often ask, what would you do or tell a friend or family member to do if directly impacted by a violent incident? People may answer, talk to a family member or a trusted friend, maybe talk to a religious leader or medical professional, and most frequently, call the police. Police are the only systemic response in the U.S. offered to those who are victimized, yet we know that there are many people who don't want to or feel safe calling the police. Calling the police sets a carceral response in motion, and studies show, confirmed by my over 30 years of working with survivors, that most victims of violence want to be made whole and want to feel safe again, but not necessarily that they want the person who harmed them to go to jail or prison. For that reason, ROAR emphasizes serving those who are the least likely to contact the police, which includes people who have had negative experiences with the police in the past, oftentimes people of color, people who identify as LGBTQIA+, immigrants, especially recent arrivals, and those who do not have legal status to remain in the U.S., people engaging in illegal activities, people who are unhoused, have substance use disorder, or have mental health issues. Our staff of attorneys, paralegals, case managers, therapists, and a community health nurse manager work collaboratively with survivors. We do not impose what we think they should do or want. Our actions are defined and directed by them. We do not require that the survivor have filed a police report to receive services from ROAR, and we have no immigration status restrictions, and serve people who make less than $70,000 per year plus an additional $5,000 per year for each dependent. We assist people who do not have IDs, who have criminal backgrounds, and those for whom a warrant may be outstanding. In addition to working directly with survivors, we also work to shift the narrative and perception around who is a true or worthy victim of crime. Many of our clients, especially of gun violence, are low-income young Black men who are often not seen as victims but rather as perpetrators of harm, even when they have been shot and are clearly hurting physically and emotionally. We feel an urgency to influence policy changes that are necessary so that all victims are treated with the respect, compassion, and dignity that they deserve, no matter what their life circumstances or past, and that they get the support they need to rebuild, overcome, and rise. Thank you again on behalf of everyone at ROAR.